We all fall down, but we get back up again.
I done made it out that war, still got scars on.
What's the word, y'all? Trippy Vegan Yellow here, and we are about to get into the market. So what that means is I just give a little tips and tricks to things that's already out there, what we already seeing, and maybe what could help you with my strategy. So my strategy consists of indicators, and those indicators never change. This strategy never changes. So that's why it's very important that you get your own strategy while you're trading. So you're not just trading utilizing all these people different things and you all over the map. So what we do here is we pick any video. So this person can have their own strategy. They could be just now showing somebody. It could be anything. I typed in trading for dummies. So we're going to see where that takes us. Me personally, I love when people get their family involved. So I saw this young man and I figured why not use this video, because this is what it's for. Right here I'm looking at my screen and we just gonna pick a video. That's the one we choosing today, and let's get into it.
If he can do it, anybody can do it, man. Teaching my dad to make money trading. So do you see these green and red thingies? Yes. Okay, so the green ones go up. That's called bullish. The red ones start at the top and go down. That's called bearish. And what they represent is this number right here. This is called price. So when this number is going up and the candles are going up, that's bullish. And when this number is going down, the candles are going down. That's bearish. So real quick, is this a bullish or a bearish candle?
Bearish.
Okay. Is this a bullish or a bearish candle?
The green one is a bullish.
Okay. And then these are the buttons we actually enter positions.
Okay, I like that. He's just starting off with the basics. So I actually have a chart pulled up over here myself. And if you notice, he didn't have any indicators up at all. He's just showing them the basics. Hey, what's going on here? Is this candle bullish, bearish? Is it going up or is it going down? You know what I'm saying? So just to add with that, when you're looking at that candle, you also looking at that trend. You know, what's popping, what's not popping. I know y'all know what that means. So right now, when you look right here, we have silver and gold, silver and gold. If you know, you know, right? So this trend is in the uptrend. That candle is going up too. You know what I mean? So y'all let me know in the comments what that means. Is that bullish or is that bearish? Which one? Which one?
So if I click this green button, I want this price or number to go up and the candles to go green. If I click this red button, I want price to go down and these candles to go bearish. Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
So if I click this green button, do you want it to go up or down?
You want it to go up.
Okay.
Bullish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then if you click this red button, do I want price or the market to go up or down?
You want it to go down because it's bearish.
Okay.
But if we want it to go down and it goes up like it's doing now, we lose, right?
Yes, yeah. So if we click this green button and prices start plummeting down, we lose. And if we click this red button and prices start running up, we lose.
Okay.
Okay, so right there, that's key to pay attention to, and that's why I said to pay attention to the trend also along with that candle, right? Because a lot of things change at any given time. That market could change up on you. So that's also why you want those indicators. Those indicators will let you know what's going on. So for instance, if we driving really, really fast and then someone in front of you, their brake lights come on, then you know to slow down. That's an indication to slow down, right? If you coming along a yellow light, that's an indication that a red light is coming next, right? So it's just those things to let you know what's coming next, compared to just driving, flying through everything, doing whatever you want, right? That's kind of what that's like. So we gonna always make sure that you know when that red light, yellow light, green light coming, so we can move through the traffic.
But as long as we press the red button and the candle stay red going down, we make money.
Facts.
And then we press the green button and the candle stays green going up, we make money.
So boom, I click the green button. This says how much we up, how much we down. So how much are we down right now?
We up $30.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
$40.
So if this start going
$50.
if we start
$60.
Going, up,
why you don't close it? We making money.
well, if this.
Hey, I love that. Why you don't get in and get out if we hitting? You know, I feel that 100%. That's why we had to take profit and that stop loss. You know, absolutely knowing where you're getting in and absolutely knowing where you're getting out. So you don't make those impulsive, emotional moves. You know what I mean? Which he just went through. I'm sure we all felt that. Like, what? We getting the money? Like, you know? But we want to make sure that we get in and we get out where we calculated, where we marked up, where we, you know, what would you say? Let's take it to the car. Let's take it to the car. Back to the car. So you know that your gas is about to be under the E. You know what I mean? And you pushing. You like, oh, I still got some time. We good. Sometimes you might push a little too long to where you driving on fuel and now you on the side of the road, all that. So you knew better to just stop, pull over, and get you some gas. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Know when to get in and get out. You knew to get out, go get you some gas, but you still try to push that limit. So sometimes, like, he wanted to take it early in a sense, right? Some people be like, oh, we making money, keep making money, let's push it, you know? So this can go multiple ways here. And let's bring up our chart over here. Wow, you see that? See how quick it changed up on you? That's why it's important to add up some indicators. Over here, we're using the candles. That's what he's talking about. That's going red, green. But there's other things you can use. Like some people may utilize the line chart or the bars, you know, what have you. That's 100% up to you and the strategy. But we're here today, strictly candles. We all about the candles. The candles tell a story, and we want to know the story, not just that moment. We want to hit in that moment, but we definitely want to know the story. So up here, we have some indicators. So basically, these indicators will help you. So like right now, let's utilize, let's utilize an alligator. Alligator is what it sounds like. Okay, you got that mouth. We know an alligator to have them chumpers, right? So when it's closing, obviously you don't want your hand in there. You don't want your hand in there at all. But if we had to pick, it'll be when it's open, right? So that's when the chart flowing. That's when we should make our trades. But when it's closing, we know better, okay? So that's what this is up here. So now if we add one indicator, that's helpful, but adding multiple indicators is even more helpful. That's why with my strategy, so not only is the alligator's mouth open and closing, within that is the charts. And you'll notice that when it's closed, the lines get all tangled together. But when it's open, it's a lot of space within there. So right now, you'll notice that these lines here are getting all tangled up. So another indicator that we do not want to make a move here. We don't. You don't at all want to make a move here. So what we would do is wait. And I know that sounds absolutely terrible because it's money moving, the market's moving, but we want to wait until that correct time for us to get into the market. You know what I mean? So when he said, is the market going up or down? Is it, is it red? Is it green? What's happening? Well, right now we notice with the market that it's going down. So if I click down, we just won that trade. But although we just won that trade, it was almost like a guess, a gamble. And for us, we want to add, you know what I'm saying? If anything, have that knowledge, that background knowledge of what's going on. So right now, although we made that trade, the reason I would say it was a smart move is because that's a very strong trend, a down red trend that's happening. And it's in reversal. So it went up, then it went down. So it reversed. Very strong indicator of what's going to go on there. However, we only have one indicator up on the screen, and that one indicator told us don't go in for that trade. Now, that doesn't mean that we shouldn't have went in for that trade. That meant that we should have added more indicators up on that board there to show us, okay, this is a solid move to make and you should make it. So that's just something that you should pay attention to. All money ain't good money, and all wins ain't good wins. You want to have solid wins to solidify what you've learned and what you've taken in, or else we just gambling. And we don't want to do that.
Runs all the way up, we could make like $100, you know what I'm saying?
$140.
Yes, sir. And so you see why I be spending some time on here to make some money?
Man, you don't leave your dang computer. You stay in front of this computer and making some money.
Yes, sir. So right now you see we negative because why?
Because we said we wanted it to be a buy, but it's going down.
Right. So what do we need the price to do to go positive?
We need the price to go back up. So if price goes back up, we start making money again.
Yes, sir. It's that simple. All right, Paul, you think you can do this?
Absolutely.
Like, how much you think you can make in like a week?
Be excited.
Man, an extra $500 a
He
week.
got that fire in him.
Yeah.
Come on, OG.
I mean, you can make like at least like 5 in a day.
In a day?
Come on,
a day. Yeah.
That's one trade,
Yeah, but I'm just getting started. $50, $100 a day is cool for me. And then when I can grow to that place.
Okay, look. You see right now in this video, one video, we didn't sit down, we didn't learn anything, we didn't go through the whole strategy, none of that. That we just won $100. Right? Well, we that's what we put in. We got back what we put in also. So OG saying, oh, I can make this amount and this amount and do this. You can make what you put in, chat. Come on. You make what you put in. So if I put in $1, so be it. But my boy, he put in a band. Okay, you know what I mean? So it's different. He talking about $500 in amount of time. Not even overstanding. One trade a day can be that $500. But you just got to make sure you don't keep on straining it. So basically, one trade a day, keep the doctor away. That's how I see it. You feel me?
This thing is going up. That would be the green that we winning.
Yeah. If we was in a buy, we'd be winning. Yeah,
we'd be winning. Listen, man, we need to cut this out, and you need to get on here and trade, man. Today is Friday. I want a steak dinner.
Oh yeah, we gonna go to Hibachi tonight.
Yeah, we can go do Hibachi. It's good, but I like Longhorns, man. You know they got the strawberry salad. That's what I like.
Well, this market finna pay for that.
Okay, make us $250, and then let's go to dinner.
All right.
Yes.
Anybody can do it, man. Teach my dad to make money trade.
Hey, see, and that's what you do. That's what we here for. Teach our people so they can have that fire in them too. Young, older, it's no matter. It's no matter at all. And that's absolutely why I love this. I'm literally at the house with the house shoes on. I got the house shoes on. No socks. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I got plenty more to come. We're going to break down strategy that Trippy Vegan Yellow created. And we're going to get back into it every time, anytime. I love y'all. One love.
I done put in way too many hours to be runner up. I know everybody quick to tell you get your money up, but get your self-love up too. Cause it hit a little different when you love you. Nah, for real. I want a therapy and got a little clarity when